Will the Tesla Model S's superior performance overcome its manufacturing defects and earn it 5 stars? Find out from a real owner, along with her top likes and dislikes.
Well, our original look wasn't for a Tesla at all. We were just looking for a sticker. Which, what I mean by sticker, it's the HOV sticker in California so that you can ride in the commuter lane.
Here in traffic-congested California, an HOV sticker is very valuable. You get one if you drive an alternative fuel vehicle like an electric car. It allows you to drive in the carpool lane even if it's just one person in the car and can save you a lot of time on your commute. So let's find out what Rebecca likes about the Model S.
What I like, and I didn't even know was possible in a car, was that you can get all three, acceleration, handling, and comfort. I've never driven a car with acceleration like the Tesla has. The handling is great because the battery keeps the center of gravity low, so it can hug a curve at like 70 miles per hour. And then as you're driving down the street, it's just completely smooth and comfortable.
The Model S does have this interesting mix of performance factors. With instantly available torque and dual motors, you get sports car performance. In fact, in the P100D with ludicrous mode, 0 to 60 is in an amazing 2.4 seconds, faster than in many sports cars. And while you're enjoying this incredible performance, you can do it in comfort with the air suspension that has you gliding on air. In this 2019 model, there are 3 trims: standard range, long range, and performance. The mileage is enough for most people's daily commutes and for some reasonably far out-of-town trips. But does Rebecca have range anxiety?
Well, again, it's a psychological problem. The car actually has an amazing range, like 370 miles that you could go without recharging. But it feels like you should recharge it. And every time you get home, you feel like, oh, I should plug this in.
Now, the Model S was introduced in 2012, but the exterior design hasn't changed much. I think it's due for a styling update. Nevertheless, it still has the aerodynamic fastback styling that earns it an impressive drag coefficient of 0.24. Details like flush door handles help it achieve this number.
It is a good-looking car. You know, it's a sedan, but it has that sports car look to it. And then, you know, the overall glass top. We got white on white, which we didn't even really know this until we got home. We saw some YouTube videos. The white seats are a faux leather, and you can like pour red wine on them, and you can wipe it up. So, it's a good-looking car.
The styling throughout is modern and crisp, even in the design of the key. Due to the fastback profile, the rear headroom can feel a little snug, but there's great legroom. Cargo is plentiful with a neat secret compartment. There's a few luxury accents like the wood trim, but the centerpiece of the interior is the giant touchscreen. This is the central hub to control different car settings, navigation, and media. But the screen is not just all business.
Beyond that is, for my husband, the gadget feature of that he just loves, you know, playing with the car, and there's a long list of stuff. There's karaoke in there, there's some video games, there's the actual navigation screen is very large and easy to see and use. So it has streaming, all kinds of stuff.
Before we take a look at the other tech features, on this channel, we feature real owners and we'd love to get you on the show. Please reach out. Safety and convenience tech features include blind spot warning, auto park, and the famous autopilot for freeways.
When it's in autopilot, it will stop and go if there's cars in front of you. It will go the speed that you want. You set it at number of miles per hour above the speed limit. It will even change lanes. Like if you put it on navigate and autopilot, it will change lanes on its own because it's decided that your lane is going too slow, or and go around and then change lanes and go back.
Tesla has gotten a bad rap for its manufacturing defects, from bumpers that fall off to large panel gaps. Does Rebecca's Model S have any problems?
There was a piece of plastic that's around the lip of the window that was supposed to be glued onto this small triangle, and it wasn't. And then, so we go onto the Tesla site, you do everything online, and they actually come to your house to repair, which sounds very cool if it worked. A couple days later, they emailed and said, "Oh, we're going to buy the entire new assembly to do that, and we have to order the part, and we'll let you know." And it's been a couple of weeks, and it hasn't been rescheduled.
So, Rebecca wasn't looking for a Tesla, but now that she has one, how many stars does she rate it?
I would give it 5 out of 5. And the reasons are that I've never had a car where I could get the combination of pickup, handling, and comfort. The navigation system is amazing.
Please be sure to give the video a like, take a look at our other owner reviews, and subscribe to The Driver Download.